Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create 24 looks from 6 tops and 4 bottoms, essentially a capsule wardrobe. And these can mix and match, and you can wear them to work, you can wear them out for the evening, just by adding some completer pieces and maybe some accessories to kind of dress it up or dress it down. So let's get started. So to create these 24 looks, I'm going to be using 4 bottoms and 6 tops. I have a top on that I'm going to be using, and I have 5 more here. I have 3 bottoms and the 4th bottom I'm wearing. The first outfit that we're going to talk about is this orange top with these blue jeans. Now, blue jeans pretty much go with anything, so you're just going to see me switching out the tops to get different looks. But I can also pair it with these black pants, and that looks, I think it looks nice. Almost a little Halloween-y-ish. That's not even a word, but it's not that kind of orange. I think it's a more brighter orange, a more summery orange. And then I can pair it with these olive pants and kind of bring a pop of color to that. And I really like it paired with these white pants because I just think this looks really summery. Like this pop of color on white pants, I can imagine myself at the beach. Okay, look number 2 is going to focus on this white top with black stripes. You can pair it with the jeans like I have on today. I have the jeans on today, I mean. Or you can pair it with these black pants, which I think looks nice. You can pair it, it goes well with these olive green pants. Yeah. Or you can pair it with this white pair of pants. So see, 4 more looks. The next outfit that I'm going to talk about is this one from JCPenney's. It has a tie detail on there that I really like. I think it's kind of cute. It's a little on the heavy side though, so it's better for not our blazing hot summers, but maybe like summer nights or something like that. And then you can pair it with the jeans like I have on today, or you can pair it with this black pair of pants. I really like that look. I like black on black a lot. You can pair it with this olive pair of pants, of course, and it goes well as, and I was gonna say it goes well as well. How many times can I say well? And you can pair it with this pair of white pants, which I think looks super chic. I really like this kind of look, but it's white pants though. Gotta kind of be careful with white pants. So that brings me to another thing. So here's the white tunic. White with jeans just looks like everyday, casual, basic. I like this look too. You can also pair it with the black, and it's the reverse of that black and white that I just showed you. I like the black on top with the white on bottom better, but I still think that this looks nice, and of course it's another look that you can do. Then this olive green pair of pants I think works well, and this white on white. This looks like really summery to me. Also, I don't know if I'm adult enough to handle this because white top and white bottoms, like, they might get dirty. I don't know. But I would try it. I actually have never worn this together, so maybe that will be like a new thing for me, right? New thing that I can try. The next look is this white print top. Now this one does have some color in it. It has a blue, it has a pink kind of purpley color, and a green color. So it still goes well with the black pants because those are a basic color on the bottom. It goes well with the jeans that I have on. And if you're trying to tie in colors, it does have blue, but I don't even really think you need to tie in when it comes to jeans necessarily. And it goes well with this green pair of pants. And it also goes well with this white pair of pants. And this final top is black. I tend to like black, so in my color palette I stick with a lot of blacks or like dark gray. I really like that color too. So here's the top with the jeans, and it's a good look. And then you can pair it with this black, which kind of, in my opinion, dresses it up just a little bit. Or you can pair it with this olive pair of pants. Now there's, the only color in here is really like a yellow, so I think it still blends well. It's not like clashing or anything like that, so I think that looks good together. Then also this white, again, I like the black top with the white bottom, so I'll definitely be wearing this one. So that's another 4 looks for you. So I wanted to talk to y'all about creating a palette that you're going to be working with for your capsule wardrobe, because that is super important so that everything mixes and matches. So here's an example. I normally, in my color palette, I don't normally choose a color like this. I normally choose more towards greens, like teal greens, and things like that. So things like this color here. But what I found is I personally, well, yes, it goes with blue jeans. Yes, it goes with the black pants. Okay. Yes, it goes with the white pants. I like a pop of color for summer. I really do. However, when it comes to these green, olive green pants here, I'm not feeling it. What do y'all think? Leave me a comment and let me know if you think this matches, if I could pull this off. Also, I don't normally wear short sleeved or no sleeve or sleeveless shirts. I was gonna say no sleeve. Sleeveless shirts or short sleeve shirts without some sort of completer piece. And normally I have some sort of cardigan, or and this one's black, but I also have a white one, and I also have a gray one. So normally I would just pair it with something like that, but I just don't feel like it goes with this olive green. Y'all let me know in the comments and let me know what y'all think. But I'm like, I don't think that matches. So typically I wouldn't include this in my capsule wardrobe, although I have it in my closet and I do wear it with like jeans and things like that. So I've extended my outfits, but I just don't feel it goes together. So for this capsule wardrobe, I'm just gonna kind of focus on these outfits. This capsule wardrobe's only gonna last me a few weeks because the blazing hot summer of Texas is on its way, despite spring being all crazy with the weather. So this is how I create a capsule wardrobe. Like I said, I go for some basic pieces, a couple print tops, a striped top is always good, whether it's a white with the black or black with the white. I have that one as another one of those as well. And then just some plain neutral colored tops. Then you can mix and match with just 4 pair of pants. And like I said, if you're working and you can't wear jeans to work, these could be black dress pants. These could be white dress pants. These could be, well, I don't know what color you would do with that. Maybe gray dress pants or something like that. So, you know, you can just pull this color palette and just kind of work with it and adjust it to what you need to do. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget, have an awesome day. Bye.